Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest science and tips on how to improve your health and fitness. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to burn fat with coffee, and what are the science and the benefits behind this amazing drink. If you love coffee as much as I do, you will be happy to know that it can actually help you lose weight and get in shape. But how does it work, and how much should you drink to see the results? Keep watching to find out. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for good reason. It tastes great, it wakes you up, and it gives you a boost of energy and focus. But did you know that coffee can also help you burn fat and lose weight? That's right. Coffee contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that can increase your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and enhance your fat-burning hormones. Let me explain how. First of all, caffeine can increase your metabolic rate, which is the rate at which you burn calories at rest. The higher your metabolic rate, the more calories and fat you burn throughout the day, even when you are not exercising. Studies have shown that caffeine can increase your metabolic rate by 3 to 11%, depending on the dose and the individual one. This means that if you drink coffee before or during your meals, you can burn more calories and fat from the food you eat. Second, caffeine can suppress your appetite, which means you will feel less hungry and eat less. This can help you create a calorie deficit, which is when you consume fewer calories than you burn. A calorie deficit is essential for weight loss, as it forces your body to use its stored fat as fuel. Studies have shown that caffeine can reduce your appetite by 5 to 10%, depending on the dose and the individual too. This means that if you drink coffee between your meals, you can avoid snacking and overeating. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.